Imagine if there were a single natural remedy that could lower your blood pressure, and all without any side effects. It protects your heart, improves your circulation, increases your stamina, stimulates your digestion, and relieves your liver. Be sure to stay tuned until the end, because I won't just tell you what it is, but also how much you need and how you can easily incorporate it into your daily routine. But first, did you know that the official blood pressure values have actually changed? High blood pressure is one of the biggest health problems of our time, that's for sure. And yet, it is still often overlooked or misunderstood. Currently, about 30 million people in Germany are considered to have high blood pressure. But the number of unreported cases is much, much higher, because high blood pressure often doesn't cause any obvious symptoms for a long time. And you might simply get used to the high values, just like you get used to being overweight and don't really notice the extra kilos anymore. Many people then say, I don't notice anything, I'm super fit. But the body feels the pressure day after day, and that's exactly where the danger lies. High blood pressure works silently in the background, gradually damaging the blood vessels and the heart, the kidneys, the brain, and even the eyes. And it's not called the silent killer for nothing. And that's exactly why people used to be very strict about it. The goal was to adjust all patients to values of 120/80, no matter what it took. To be honest, I didn't stick to that. Instead, I always looked closely at the person in front of me, how old they were, what pre-existing conditions they had. But interestingly, years later, that's actually what's being recommended now. That's what I'll tell you now. There are simply people who can feel unwell even with a blood pressure of, for example, 120/80. They constantly feel weak, tired, listless, and even tend to have depressive moods. The new blood pressure guidelines finally give doctors more leeway today. Instead of rigid limits, it's now about a holistic risk assessment and focusing on the patient. You then ask, how old is the person and what is their overall condition? Are there already organ damages or are pre-existing conditions like diabetes, kidney problems, or heart failure known? So what is the individual risk? The goal is no longer one value for everyone, but rather what does this person need? Here are some examples. A young, healthy person without pre-existing conditions can remain stable and healthy with a value of 135/85 or even 90. An older person who has been coping with slightly higher blood pressure for a long time doesn't necessarily have to be adjusted to 120/80, because that could cause circulatory problems or even falls. Of course, it's different if someone already has heart, vascular, or kidney damage. Here, the rule is lowering the values earlier and more consistently is better. That's why we now distinguish 3 stages. Stage 1 is elevated blood pressure without organ damage. Stage 2 is high blood pressure with pre-existing conditions like diabetes or chronic kidney disease. And the 3rd stage is high blood pressure plus organ damage, such as heart failure, arteriosclerosis, which means hardening of the arteries, or advanced kidney failure, meaning the kidneys simply no longer function properly. Depending on which stage you're in, the target values are different, as well as the urgency and the treatment. And all of this shows it's not enough to just look at the numbers. A blood pressure of 145/90 can be completely unproblematic for one person and already dangerous for another. And that's exactly why it's so important that you know your blood pressure. So have it checked from time to time. Go to your doctor or at least to the clinic and just have it checked. You don't need a doctor. Visit a pharmacy or use your own blood pressure monitor at home. Checking is simply the most sensible thing, because even if you feel fit, your blood vessels can be under pressure without you noticing. And that can go on for years. But now comes the good news. In many cases, blood pressure can be lowered naturally without medication. And that's exactly what this video is about. There is actually a natural way you can lower your blood pressure. And it's with just one simple trick. And this trick doesn't just work in the short term, but can also help stabilize your blood pressure in the long run. And all of this without any side effects. This exact trick has been studied in clinical trials. And the result is impressive. Just a quarter liter per day of this food was able to lower the participants' systolic blood pressure, which is the first blood pressure value, by several points. And not just at any time, but within a few hours. In addition, better vascular function, less clumping of blood platelets, and even improved athletic performance were observed. How exactly does this food do that? By containing natural nitrate. But don't worry, in plant-based form, nitrate, if you're thinking, oh, is nitrate dangerous? It's not dangerous at all. On the contrary, you could even say it's healing. In the mouth, this nitrate is converted into nitrite by saliva, and this nitrite also has antibacterial effects, among other things, against the dangerous bacterium Helicobacter pylori. Maybe you've already heard of it, as it's associated with the development of stomach cancer. And now you might be wondering, what does this have to do with your blood pressure? Maybe you're waiting for me to finally say something about it. Well, here it is. And that's super important because nitrite is converted into nitric oxide in the body. That's a specific gas. And that's why this molecule is really a health booster. Because it dilates the blood vessels, naturally lowers blood pressure, also naturally improves circulation, and protects against the dangerous disease arteriosclerosis, in which the vessels narrow and harden due to deposits. But that's not all. This food also naturally contains several other things, namely folic acid and betaine. Important for protecting the heart and blood vessels, potassium regulates the mineral balance and is absolutely necessary for a healthy heart. Of course, it also contains fiber, which promotes digestion, relieves the liver, and stimulates the gallbladder, as well as antioxidants that protect cells from oxidative stress. That means not only does your blood pressure benefit, but your whole body does. And if you also incorporate intermittent fasting into your daily routine, you'll greatly enhance the effect. Intermittent fasting lowers your insulin levels. Your body starts burning fat, chronic inflammation decreases, and as a result, your blood pressure drops and stabilizes noticeably. I see this over and over again with my patients, and it's amazing. And now finally comes the reveal, just as promised. The one food that can do all of this is beetroot. This deep red root has this incredible power and is also inexpensive. It's grown locally, it's versatile and so easy to use. And my tip? Drink 250 milliliters of beetroot juice every day, ideally in the morning or before exercising. Or you can regularly prepare a fresh beetroot salad for yourself, or alternate between the two options. Here's my favorite recipe. Super easy and simple. 2 cooked beetroots, a medium-sized apple, an old variety is best, a small onion, 4 pickled gherkins, the juice and zest of an orange, and a pinch of sea salt. Dice everything finely, and you'll have a salad that tastes wonderful not only on the same day, but also the next and even the day after. As long as it was kept in the fridge, it's also really good for your body. And if you want to keep it really simple and don't want to make a salad or drink it, but would rather eat it, then just buy pickled beetroot in a jar. And that's actually really easy. So you just have to open the jar and add it to your salad. Or you can have it as a starter on its own. But pickled beetroot from the jar also works well as a side dish. So high blood pressure is serious, but we don't have to resort to strong medication right away. Maybe your best health helper isn't in the pharmacy at all, but in your vegetable drawer. I'm sure you also know someone who has high blood pressure. Maybe you even know many people. Then please share this video. They will definitely be grateful to you for it.